Hey there, Joey from PowerhouseAffiliate.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with Microsoft Ads. I'm going to show you how you can get some free traffic from Microsoft Ads. And I'm going to show you an example campaign that has literally made me thousands of dollars. And it can be done today, in today's day and age. This still works. In fact, it is a billion-dollar industry that you can tap into now as an affiliate marketer. All of that explained in this video. Let's get into it now. Okay, welcome to this quick video where I'm going to show you every step along the way. Now, first of all, how do you earn money from promoting affiliate offers? You should already understand that. If you don't understand affiliate marketing and how to do it, there is a free course at PowerhouseAffiliate.com. The link is in the description. Go to our free training course about affiliate marketing. So I'm going to just put that out there. The next thing is streaming. You've heard of streaming online before. There's Netflix, there's a whole bunch of other ones out there. I'm not even going to try and name them all. But basically, affiliates can get commissions when we promote these products to other people, and they're very easy to convert, especially if you use the trick I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing you're going to need is a website. You're going to need a domain name, one of your own domain names, so that you can set up a landing page. And I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. The tool I would use is Bluehost. It's super affordable. You are only paying roughly $3.76 per month. That's Canadian. So in the US, if you're in the US, that's much less than that. It's probably $3 a month just for web hosting, and they will give you a free domain if you use the link down in the description. Go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/Bluehost and you will actually get a free domain and these ridiculous prices, okay? Now this is a great hosting service. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna set up your account. It's going to automatically connect your domain to your hosting service so that you are ready to set up a landing page. Now the offer we're going to promote today is a streaming offer called Fubo TV. This offer pays me $30 for every person I get to sign up. And if they stay for their trial, I get $30 US. So it's very easy to make this profitable, especially the fact that they have so many different angles that we can use. Now the best angle I've had is by far watching sports, but watching specific movies when they come out, all of those things are great angles. And the beautiful part about this offer is it is available on Impact Affiliates, which is another place you can get offers. And you can see here, these are all the landing pages they have for this offer. So you can run the NB Sports angle, you can run Bachelor. So if you wanted to target people that like the movie or the show Bachelor or Bachelorette, you can use that as their landing page. They have a wide spectrum of programming available, and they offer a free trial. So it's actually really easy to get this offer to convert. So let me show you. There's a whole bunch of opportunities here that there are, you can target specific sporting events. So the World Cup, you can come down. There's just so many ideas. There's 217 pages of ideas here. So that's why I'm sharing this publicly, because there's just so many different ways you can make money with this that by me showing you one method, it's not going to take away a whole bunch of, or it's not going to create a whole lot of competition, because it's really going to come down to who's the most creative and who can do this. So if you're trying to come up with a domain name, first I would also suggest using a tool like Lean Domain Search and putting in something like whatever you want to do, like streaming, and then hit enter, and it'll give you a bunch of ideas for domain names that are available. So you can come here and you can see there's a whole bunch of ideas. Grab one of those and then come over to Bluehost, and click on host your site and then set it up. Okay, you'll get your free domain, you'll get your free SSL certificate on that name, and then you're ready to go. You're all set up. Now, where do you get your landing page and how do you set that up? Let me show you quickly one of the easiest things you can do. If you come into PowerhouseAffiliate.com, you'll see over on the left side we have a membership here. You can come in, and over here on the left side, you'll see one called Resources. In there, you'll see landing page templates. When you click on that, you'll come to this page where we have multiple different templates available for you. There is one here that works extremely well with streaming, and I'm going to show you that as soon as I find it here. There is a sports streaming one right here. This one, okay? This is a great landing page. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you all the files you need to set up your landing page. So I'm going to save that. Now you could use a landing page builder like OptimizePress. If you go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/OptimizePress or use the link down below, it's a builder that you can use. But in this case, this one is designed specifically and it's super fast and it loads quickly and it's made specifically for sports, okay? So what you could do is you could target baseball, for example. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our server. When you get into your server on Bluehost, what you're looking for is what is called the File Manager. You're gonna come into File Manager and you're going to find this folder, Public HTML. You're going to open it and then you're going to create another folder in there. And I've already done that. I've created one called Streaming, but let's just do it as an example. Let's go MLB Streaming, okay? So that's gonna be the folder. What I do now is I open this folder and I click Upload and I pull up that landing page template. Here it is. Here, I'm going to click Open and then I'm gonna go back to that folder, reload it, just so that it shows it now. And you'll see here are the files. I'm gonna just highlight it and then click Extract Files. And then I'm going to reload again and you'll see now it's created the folder Streaming. So if I go up one level, you'll see it's MLB Streaming and then it's going to be /streaming because that's where it is. So if I go to my domain now, whatever one that you purchased, and then I go MLB Streaming /streaming, you'll see now my landing page is live. It is ready to go and I'm actually ready to promote as soon as I change this link to my affiliate link. Okay, so how do I do that? Now there's many things I can do here as well. Just so you know, I can edit all of these words and all of that stuff easily inside here. If I go into the streaming folder and I go to this file, I can click edit, or I can do HTML editor if it's HTML, but right now it's just code. So I can come in here and what I can do is I can just edit some of the wordings in here that I see. Anything that is black, okay, anything like this can be edited. So I can literally just type in whatever I want here for messaging and change my landing page so it's something more original for my promotions. And then I click save, okay? And in order to update my affiliate links, I simply put my affiliate link right here. Okay, now there's much more training on this. I'm not going to go into it too much in depth because we have it all explained in our training at powerhouseaffiliate.com. But that is basically how you get it set up so that immediately you can have yourself a page that looks very professional and it offers people access to free live sports coverage. That is what we're going to advertise in this example. Again, you can change all of this to whatever you want. Now let's talk about getting traffic to this page. So now that we have our affiliate offer set up and our landing page set up, how do we get traffic to it for free? Well, there are ways that you could do it for free by going into Facebook groups or commenting on certain topics, talking about football or baseball or whatever it is. But one of the easiest ways to get traffic immediately is to use a place like Microsoft Ads. Here is inside my Microsoft Ads account, one of them anyway, and you can see I've spent roughly $43,000 in this account. And basically I'm running search ads. Now if you want, you can get $100 free by signing up to Microsoft Ads. If you use the link down below in the description, it's powerhouseaffiliate.com/Bing. If you go there, they will offer you a $100 credit. Now this only works in some countries, so if you don't get that credit, I'm sorry, but it does work in a few different countries. So if you're watching this in those countries, you will get $100 free ad credits. So that gives you your free traffic. That gives you the opportunity to set up a campaign. Now let's look at the campaign I set up as an example. Okay, so here is the campaign, and as you can see, I run it on Sunday. Now this is just one ad group. This is an example. This is the same example of a campaign that I have made thousands of dollars a day with. Let's just keep that in mind, okay? Now this runs on Sunday, but you can create ad groups for specific days of the week. The reason why this one runs on Sunday is because for anyone that watches football, you know that Sunday is the biggest day for football because all of the games generally run on Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. So there would be an ad group for Sunday, there would be another one for Monday, and another one for Thursday. And you can see here that the average cost per click on these ads is roughly 29 cents Canadian, which works out to less than 22 cents US per click. So if you get 100 clicks, then that is going to obviously cost you roughly $22. So 100 clicks to your landing page, expect maybe 30 to 40% of those people click to the offer. That means all you need is a 2% conversion rate on Fubo TV in order to triple your money or more. So it's really, the math works out here quite well if you can get some great ads up at the right time, depending on whatever targeting you're focusing on. So in this case, I'm focusing on football. So my keywords that I'm targeting are all related to people that want to watch football. If you're going to do a video or if you're going to do an ad about people that want to watch a specific show, like perhaps Game of Thrones, you could target an ad group all around the word Game of Thrones, and you could say watch Game of Thrones online, stream it now through Fubo TV or whatever other program they have, and then you link to the Fubo TV offer that has that specific programming on the landing page. So you need to be very congruent in your ad, in your landing page, and in the actual offer you're sending people to. Okay, so this is what is going to make it work for you. So very cheap clicks in the streaming space, which means it's great because it is a billion-dollar industry. Multiple people are at home right now watching TV on their internet. They can't go to the movies probably because of COVID. So this is an opportunity to actually target and get some traffic very affordably. So let's have a look at an example ad. In this one, I'm going to show you the ad for Sunday football. So when I click on this, I'm going to set up my ad on Microsoft Ads as a search ad. Again, use the credit if you can that I mentioned earlier for the $100. And you can see here, this is the sample ad. And again, don't forget about the $100 credit. If you can, claim it down below in the description. By the way, please like this video if you do like it so far. I would appreciate it if you could just click that like button and perhaps even share this video with somebody else that might find this valuable. If you're looking for campaign ideas, I do these videos all the time. In fact, I'll pop another video up right now that you can watch that is almost exactly like this, but it's different in terms of a different type of ad campaign you can set up running Microsoft Ads. I love this traffic source, especially for new people starting out. So with that being said, here are the ads. You can see here, watch Sunday football for free, or free football streaming, get access to over 75 sports channels, and then it links to the same landing page I showed you earlier. However, it is modified to say watch NFL, not watch MLB, and there is, different imaging and stuff like that. All of that can be done as you learn more about landing pages. Check out my other videos or training about landing pages so you can understand, and I'll actually leave a link down below to where you can get access to one of the webinars around how to set up landing pages properly so that you can really improve your chances of success here. So there's the ads. Now let's have a look at the keywords. So here are the keywords. You can see here these ones ran on Sunday, and we do have a conversion here on Fox Sports. So my landing page actually does mention Fox Sports, so that works out well. It's just an example of a conversion. You'll see it cost me $4.28 to get that conversion, where I actually made $30 US. So I paid $4.28 Canadian, works out to about $3 US, and I made $30 on that conversion. That is just an example. Okay, there's a lot to be said here. There's a lot more targeting. There's a lot more testing that needs to be done. But these are the keywords I focused on, as you can see, and this is just the start of the campaign. So when you're setting up your campaigns, make sure you make your keywords very specific to what you are advertising here. Watch NFL, watch football, NFL streaming, Sunday football, Fox Sports, ESPN Sports. So people are searching this on Bing.com. They see my ad, they click, they go to the landing page, and then they go to the offer, and then hopefully they convert and I make money. That is the overarching strategy here. There's no magic formula here. It's basically setting up search ads and sending your traffic to a landing page, which then goes to a CPA affiliate offer. In this case, getting paid $30 per trial sign up. And there are specific terms to that offer, so make sure you read the terms. They have to actually finish their trial in order for you to convert. Okay, so that is hopefully enough to go on. It's hopefully a good idea for you to use in your campaigns as you continue to develop new search campaigns as an affiliate marketer. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to check out our training at powerhouseaffiliate.com. There is a free link down below to join and try out our free training. If you want to get more advanced case studies like this, where I actually dive into step by step how to set this up from start to finish, every single little step, then check out the advanced trainings there that we also have. And I hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, or actually come into our forum and feel free to come in there and ask questions or comment or provide other insights into how you set up your campaigns as you carry forward as an affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.